Please don't take me wrong because now I am going to disclose something I have been experiencing since long time, and also I spoke about this topic previously in my several videos, speeches, involvement. It's about life and death, the concept and reality. And also, I would like to add our learning through societies and life experience. According to medical science, we have some words, terminology in dictionary which does not exist. One of them is word death. Death does not exist. This is my point of talking today. And I can demonstrate huge research, scientific evidence on it that one energy and our living reality, whatever we are experiencing, this world, Mother Nature, luxurious life, food, growing, our different ages, is everything connected together. So rather using death, I would use just simply departure. Departure does not mean death. If you fly from New York to another destination, for an example, Australia, Sydney is a beautiful city, or in a place where you never think that you would need to go there, like a worst place in this planet or somewhere you never know where we are gonna go after leaving this body. So using death means that finish, end, but there is no any end point of life energy. It's non-ending. And our life energy is not only about this body, and we are living inside a full layer of energy around us. We are pressurized by energy. That's why we can stand without having any fall from this earth, because we are floating in this unlimited multiverse. So what I would like to point out that now, especially in this modern era, we have heard a voice which is red hot topics is mental health. Everybody we are talking about mind, mental health, stresses, distresses, bad situation, conflicts, wars, killings, all the bad things happening. But when we talk about something which does not exist, is there any valid point to spend your valuable time on that topic like death, which does not exist? Not only time, we always think that, oh, these things happen, my life is gone. There is nothing else left over to live this life. Okay, so let me do a suicide, or let me like say I don't care. So because of a non-existing entity or thought process or like kind of established truth. It's a established truth, but this is not true. Established, I said, because we know that we'll die, and die means I am gone. No, I am not gone anywhere. I am here, I was here, I will be here. This is the ultimate truth of the life energy. It's one energy. I may leave this body. When I am gonna depart this body, depart, that means I am no more part of this body. Then how I say that it's end? There is no end. This body will vanish with 5 elements, whatever it is. This body ashes also will be transformed to one energy. Does not matter who we are, how we are living, how long we will be living. There is no way to get out from this whole or one entity. Our entity is one. So where is one entity, there is no any duality. There is no any separation. There is no separation. How we can claim that death is exist? Yes, it's an event. Like I am going to transfer my seat from this plane to another plane. I am gonna use a transit to reach another destination with a different form. So this form of this body will be vanished, but not me, not I, who I am. So if anybody can believe that I am not going to vanish, this life energy is non-ending, and there is no any time limit. We cannot pay attention. We cannot discover who I am, how I came here, how I will go another place. We don't know. This is the basic ignorance, or this is called incapabilities. As a human being, we have capabilities. It's happened to millions of lives around this planet, also outside planets. I'm not gonna expand. This is huge. I can speak about this topic minimum hours. Hours. I don't know how long, because I did a study and I found that the hot topic, mental health, stress, whatever we are talking about, this is completely non-existing reality. If we would be able to understand that right now whatever happening is not for the lifetime, it's happening with your current situation. If you would be able to stay in a position with full confidence that this life is not only for 70, 80, 90 years. This human body, human form will be transformed maybe to the same form as a human being or any other form, does not matter, trees, water, air, plants, bush. Nobody does not know. Who knows that what is going to happen in your next birth, or the way to go to another destination. We don't know our destination, but we believe that this destination, and 90% of us, we think that this life, oh my gosh, is like very serious. We are taking this life very serious. We are taking nothing but something which is non existing. And I can guarantee mind can be reduced by knowing through knowledge. If you study, if you involve with an alternative self education, then only you will realize what I am talking about is not something I am talking about belongs to any religion, any tradition, any specific group or individual. I am talking about a whole reality of life spans. And if somehow we would be able to regulate our mind by knowing the ultimate truth and scientific, which has to be evidence based, then definitely we can resize, we can reform, we can restore everything very simply and easygoing about life and death. So this is just, I was thinking, it just came to my brain, and I am just talking, but I have evidence, I have huge collection on different scientific topics. Without having proper, authentic and scientific research and evidence, I never spoke about anything. And this is phenomenon, this is the miracle of life, that if we would be able to find the correct key for the correct hole, for the correct place, then definitely the door will be open for every living human being. So please don't take me wrong again. There are lots of words which is 100% wrong. See, we always use sunrise, sunset. Sun never rest, sun never sat down. Sun standing in a same place. We are moving. Sun never moved from sun's place. We are using sunrise, sunset. So, if you are standing in a place you never moved, and people are talking that you came and you gone, you never moved, there is no any point to come and back, go here and there. Same death. This is not the appropriate word or thought or a reality that we need to think about, because this is the ultimate truth. Which is ultimate truth? what is the point to think about that? We cannot alter, we cannot change the event. And definitely, after departure this body, your existence is always connected with whole, will be connected with whole. And the reality, whatever we are in suffering, which is obvious, some we can control, some we cannot. Something happening with you, with me, with everybody is beyond of our control and beyond of also control of nature or creator. So I am not gonna talk anymore. It's almost 16 minutes. So let me drop here. We'll talk with scientific evidence with any topic. Stay in peace with knowledge. If you have some spare time outside of social media, Facebook or usual platform, please read hard copy of books, read online through authentic and scientific evidence, and then you will see how miracle and phenomenon this human form and this life. There are lots of way to live this life very simply, very simply by knowing. Ignorance is the source of suffering. If we don't know something in correct way, that inaccuracy may lead your life in a wrong destination. So we can make our destination, our route, our journey very flexible with optimum level of lubricating energy with all the way of life. That's how life does work. So let's know, let's share, let's study together. Stay safe.